In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a PDF in Adobe, all in under 5 minutes. Signing documents electronically has become essential in our increasingly digital world, so let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open up Adobe Sign. Simply access a web browser on your device and navigate to the Adobe Sign page. If you haven't been there before, Adobe Sign is Adobe's digital and e-signature solution, letting you sign documents quickly and securely. Once you're on the Adobe Sign website, the next step is to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one following the on-screen prompts. Logging in is crucial, as it ensures that your documents are secure and accessible only to you and those you authorize. After logging in, you'll want to look for the Fill and Sign tool. This tool is your one-stop shop for signing documents swiftly. Click on it to get started with the signature process. It'll guide you to where you need to be to add your personal touch to the document. When you're ready, click the Sign button. Once you do that, you'll see the option to Add Signature. This is where you'll begin to create your digital signature. Adobe provides you with various options to craft your signature. You can type your name and give it a stylish font. You can draw your signature using your mouse or touchpad for a personal touch. Or you can even upload an image of your handwritten signature if you prefer the old-school method. Choose the method that suits your needs best. After you've created your signature, the next step is to click Apply. This action confirms your signature design and prepares it for placement on the document. Navigate to the document and click on the exact spot where you want your signature to appear. It's important to place it precisely to maintain the document's professionalism and readability. Once your signature is on the document, you might need to adjust its position slightly. This is where the drag and drop functionality comes in. Select your signature and drag it to the perfect spot, whether it's the dotted line, an empty space, or wherever it's required. With everything in place, the final step is to save your signed PDF file. This will ensure your changes are stored and the document is ready to be sent off or filed away as needed. Click Save and choose where you'd like to store your file, whether it's on your device or in the cloud for easy access from anywhere. And there you have it. You've successfully signed a PDF in Adobe, quickly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides.